Yo and hello! Welcome to my first video for YouTube. I'm gonna learn so many new things, at least I'm gonna try out so many new things. For example, welding, cutting out some rust bits, some rust cleaning and preferably sealing it so it holds on for a longer period of time. And trust me, that is gonna be a bit frustrating for me because no one gets it right in the first time, so we'll be fine. This thing is already in progress. Rear axle is gone, fuel tank is gone. I have done some cleaning, also started to weld something, but I am not a professional, so I'm learning as I go, which is not a bad thing as long as you're willing to learn. And many mistakes has been made, and also there's plenty of those to come. If you like watching people fix up their vehicles, basically fabricating stuff and learning how to fabricate stuff, the first ones are never pretty. Especially the first ever steel panel I made was not prettiest thing ever, but good thing is it is under there and no one is gonna see it. If you're wondering about this thing, this is my own car. I had it for a few years now. It has driven a lot of miles. It's an older XC70. Basically that means it does not have the Haldex system. It is all mechanical, which I kind of like. So less problems, less things to go wrong. And also still works by surprise. The car itself has lived its life gloriously. As you can see, it's dented, it's scratched. It still makes me feel happy when I drive it because it has the sweetest engine sound ever. What do you expect when something very sweet comes out of the exhaust pipe and it has 5 cylinders and a turbo? Ooh, that is so sweet. But that might come later when this thing is back on the road. So far, I'm gonna try to make this thing road legal again, and preferably so it stays road legal for a few more years. It is gonna be a very steep learning curve for me, because sheet metal work, apparently there's nothing complicated, but then again I have never done it and I will try to do that. So far I have made 2 panels. First one was a complete disaster by the looks of it, but second one was a bit better. And every time I do this it becomes slightly better and better. That means I need to fine-tune my skills. And trust me, there is gonna be a lot of fine-tuning my skills on sheet metal work on this thing. It is rusted like a Swiss cheese. Follow me and hopefully you will like the way I learn stuff. I am not by any means any professional at all. I just know how to work with tools. See you in the next video, which might be a bit more with welding and bending and fabricating. So stay tuned and see you.